Let's sit with our back straight, feet in front of us. Take a big, nice breath. A yah, a good yah. And just relax yourself a bit. Feel your own weight in the chair. It's a very simple thing, but not easy, of course. Be here now. Wherever you've been, you're no longer there. Wherever you're going, you're not there yet. The challenge for most of us is being here in the now. And one way we do this is by paying attention. Feeling the weight in the chair, noticing where our body is, noticing our breath, our body contracting and expanding with each breath. Having the capacity to be grateful for the fact that we need not be conscious of breathing. Chas v'shalom, God forbid, we ever have trouble breathing, then we become very conscious of it. So we're grateful for the gift of breath. In Hebrew, you all know the word for breath is nishima, the same word as nishama, as soul. We are grateful every morning to have this soul return to us. And as we're sitting here, we're telling ourselves stories. Every one of us is telling a story to themselves. Oh, did I leave something in my room? When's dinner? When's this guy going to stop talking? Does he really want us to be quiet? That's impossible. I'm a Jew. A Jew can't be quiet. Whatever story you have, it's just a story. Because right now, the only thing that's real, as much as we can fathom, is you're here right now on a chair. Whatever happened yesterday, you know what? You can't go back. If you're anxious about tomorrow, don't be. It's not here yet. And that's the whole Torah. Hayim kulchem hayom. Can you be truly alive today? Hayom, hayom, hayom. Remember that? Remember Rosh Hashanah Yom Kippur? Today, today, today. So for a moment or two, just sit and notice that your breath expands your chest when you inhale, contracts when you exhale. And when the story is taking you astray, just come back to your breath. Liberate yourself from the flow of thoughts, which will never stop as long as you are a sentient being, as long as you are alive. We hope. Again, if you're telling yourself stories, that's fine. Just let them go. If it's a great idea you have, I promise you, if it's really that great, it'll come back to you. Just notice your chest rising and falling. The air leaving and entering your nostrils. The basis of your own existence, right here, right now. Sitting and celebrating being is what Chabad is all about. It comes from the word lashevet, to sit. And part of every Shabbat should be given over to some meditative practice, some capacity to be still with oneself, even in the midst of community, to find that space, hamakom, one of the names of God, that space into which we can truly be. As Ram Dass once said, we're not human doings, we're human beings. We often forget that, and that's why we have the gift of Shabbos. Notice your comfort with silence or your discomfort with it. If you're losing your trend, just take a deep breath or two and get back to it. Don't worry, your breath will always be there. The underlying structure of all of our tefillot is breath. Elohai neshama shenatata bi tahora, the breath you have given me is pure and clean. Kol hanshama tehalleliyah, hallelujah, let every living breath praise your name. Nishmat kol chai tevarech et shimcha, Adonai Eloheinu. May the breath of every living thing praise your name. Like the waves of the sea, the inward and outward movement. The sea within us. Our capacity to receive and to give. All to be found in our very breathing, our very being alive. It's simple, but it's not easy. Kol hanshama tehallelujah, hallelujah. Kol hanshama tehallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Kol hanshama tehallelujah, hallelujah. Kol hanshama tehallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Kol hanshama tehallelujah, hallelujah. Kol hanshama tehallelujah,